Assessment is essential for modern learning experiences, and it requires high level of proficiency and ongoing commitment across a number of areas of expertise. That's why we have Learnosity Labs, teams of specialized experts dedicated to helping customers deliver excellent assessment products. In this video, we are going to take a look at how our authoring team have made enhancements to the Author API activity editor in a new author site to provide a more powerful user experience. Let's take a look. Our activity editor improvements give authors more control over how assessments look and behave for learners. Using the variety of new configuration options in the UI, authors can now add resource menu items to activities, as well as control the assessment player's behavior, including setting time limits or playback for audio and video. Content admins can also create custom player templates through the UI, which can then be used by authors in different activities to ensure consistent UI options and player configurations. This saves authors a lot of time and effort. If you have any questions about these improvements to the activity editor, you can email marketing@learnosity.com for more details. Thanks for watching.